Colin here with Sam. Hey guys. Hey, what you doing, man? Carving what? What are you making? I know, but what are you making? The barrel to our rubber band gun. I thought you already made a barrel. Or is that nobody likes a square barrel? Because that doesn't look anything like a circle. It doesn't look anything like a square either. Screw it. Can I have another piece of wood from over there? No, don't. You already did that. Now keep working on it. Keep working on stuff around camera. What do you think? Okay. Cut some wood. No. Okay. So you see this, people? It's like a sharpener. I'm gonna take it apart and use it for a good use. Other than sharpening pencils. So do that again? What? I failed to capture that on camera. Do that again.
What, the saw?
Yeah, like you were freaking out. Like, keep doing that. That looks so weird. Dude, do you know where those other screwdrivers are?
No.
Yeah, you had a bunch of screwdrivers. I need them, dude. Go get them, dude.
Oh, they're all in here. Done!
Hey, don't do it again.
Dude, okay, let's move on.
They're not anywhere, dude. Can't do that yet. Well, go find them. We need them! Dude, get the screwdriver. No! Honestly. Stop! Get me screwdrivers. Hands in the air. It's right there on the table. No, I need the smaller screwdriver. I don't think I use those. Huh? I can't use them without my dad's permission. I can't use them without my dad's permission. My dad's not home. It's just one screw, bro. One screw. I need lag. Okay. Dude, if that slips out of your hand, huh? If that slips out of your hand, that could hit me in the head and kill me. So, I need to tell you something. You heard nothing, guys.
Okay, so we need to figure out how to make the stock and the trigger for the.
Oh, sorry, guys. You had your thing on mute, didn't you? Get it off mute.
Is it off mute? Is it on mute?
Your hands in the air. Let's just do some stuff where we start running and jumping in midair. Get it on camera. Don't have to write anything. Do a run and jump in the air. Move.
Dude, that's easy to jump over.
I'm not jumping over it. I'm jumping on it.
What? Oh, I see.
So you're doing.
So what did we make?
Oh no, bro.
I don't know, bro. I don't know, bro.
But I do know, bro. That I'm awesome, bro. But you're not awesome, bro. Unlike me. Can you see? The toilet. You're gonna have to go pee. Pee, pee, pee. You're gonna also get shot. What can we do? Dude. Throwing knife? Dude, throwing knife. Don't you dare throw that. I'm gonna throw it to YouTube.
Who got these two bulldogs?
I just.
Put them in there.
Nope. Dude, ready? So what I'm going to be doing, guys, is I will be showing you some great places for cover if you're ever in a battle in the cross.
But I hope nobody else is going to be in our garage.
Well, we still have to do this stuff. What's that? Oh, give me that. Pass me. Pass me it. Pass it to me. Some more places for cover would be behind this. Another be behind the camera, because they can't see you, right? God can't see me, so I can just do this. When they wake up, see me. You want to do some parkour? Yeah. Parkour time. It's free. Okay. Stand something that's not the ground here. It's free. That's me in front of the camera. Free? Yeah.
I'm just going to shoot my bow.
Yeah, well, we're not watching it. This guy moves over, guys. I'm gonna do some parkour. Okay. Never mind. Oops.
Long jump?
Huh? Oh. this into a rubber band gun. Okay, no. Could we? Turn it into a rifle, right? SPR. You want to go cut down a limb or two? Or a tree? And do practice it? Do something with it? Okay, here. Have you seen the pocket knife?
So, in the next video, we'll just be showing you some stuff on how to cut a tree.
Oh, it's part of the tree.
Yeah, we're gonna need this. We're gonna need a pocket knife, and we're gonna have to put it on the stick and tape it, so we can get the high place. So see you. Actually, I should go last.